Check out a red 2021 Ford Bronco First Edition coming together with graphics. Now, although the actual series production isn't allegedly coming live until May the 3rd, a lot of pre-production work is being done on the Ford 2021 Broncos. It's not the first time we see a red Bronco, and not the first time we get to check out a model assembled inside the factory. But this spotted example is a little special nonetheless, because we have come to get accustomed to seeing the 2021 Broncos running all over the place. This bright red unit might have slipped by unnoticed, even with those bright factory lights pointed at it. But we seemingly have a soft spot for red Broncos ever since we got a look at the race red Wild Track adorning some Ford employees' driveways, or we notice an odd fastback soft top look for the Rapid Red, that is, alternative. Now, besides the fully reserved Broncos First Edition is as elusive as it gets, so spotting the First Edition plus red look in a graphics package inside the factory was more than enough to call us a little bit intrigued about this. Now, the spotting comes courtesy of the Broncos6g.com forum user, and there is an abundance of details that clearly made the day brighter. The poon is intended at the the molten color top. That does look way too light because of the interior lights. Let's take a look at some of these pics right quick. That's just epic. And the front grille, the black, and how it's shiny. It's just definitely nice. With the recovery points in the front, it's epic. Now, there's one thing we're not entirely sure is this Rapid Red or Race Red example. As someone pointed out, the mystery of the body color, it gets solved. Let's check out the rest of the features too. I mean, just take a look. Now, the showcase is quite compelling because we're not just looking at the 2021 Bronco 4-door First Edition, which, by the way, kicks off at a hefty $61,605 from many angles. Instead, we're also given a chance to Google at something blurry, a depiction of the Bronco with or without the graphic package. Now, some close-up of the molten color top, instances of the sound deadening materials, as well as the soft top in folded position. And we had to say that it looks quite compact, which is great news for folks that fear the bulky setup when ordering it. Now, let's take a look at some of the interior. Look at the graphics. It's quite nice and got a good look to it with the beaded tires. It's awesome, folks. Just straight up awesome. Let's look at some more of the pics. Take a close look at the graphics from Broncos6g.com. It's just really nice. Definitely nice if you want to add the graphics. Definitely nice. And the white Bronco, lettering is definitely, it's also a good offset upon the graphics too as well. Some people like graphics, but I, for one, not really a graphic person, but it does look nice. And it's the sound deadening material, for the interior. And then you see the places too for the top when it does rise off. This is different, so different. I'm thinking that this appears to me to be I'm trying to wonder what this is, because if it has the tops that come off, it definitely can't be the tops. And if it is, it's just got me. Let's just click through some of it. And this is definitely... See, now this is the top. And what we saw earlier had to have been the carpets. Yeah, it had to have been something, but perhaps it's a floorboard. But then the floorboard does have those strings, so it couldn't have been that either. But it does have me thinking. And these are the locking points for the top. And this is the top here. Of course, this is a part that comes off, and I'm thinking that this must go over the passenger, or it might go over the immediate driver and the passenger, but I think it might be the back. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments to add some validity to the top just to see what we're looking at. I'm thinking that this would make sense to be the top. Definitely can't be the carpets. But then how does it get removed? But it doesn't look like it goes into place. I'm trying to figure out what this is. It doesn't look like carpet at all either to me too as well. But definitely this first edition is epic, folks. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.